Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TeiJae. I'm back in the video with another motherfucking video. Today we have some pieces from Fashion Nova and I'm just here to show them to you all. It has been a minute since I did a haul, so please y'all don't chop my head off. But yeah, enough of that rambling. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video today. Alright guys, so this was the first item I have. The Let's Mingle Bodycon mini dress. I don't know why I be talking so fast sometimes, like I don't know, but anyway, I did get this in a size large and this is the overall view of the dress. This dress does have some mesh on it as well, which makes your stomach area a little bit see-through. I love it. I feel like it gives it a little 60 vibes or whatever. It does have like a semi-high split. I feel like it just gives that pizzazz, but overall I love this dress. It was nice and well constructed. It has a lot of stretch to it as well, and this is not see-through. The only part that's see-through is the mesh portion of the dress. So yeah, overall I love this dress. Super cute, super flirty, and like I said, you can take this dress, you can club it out, or you can make it like a date night dress. Okay guys, so the next thing I got is one of my faves. I love graphic tees. So I did get their Game Over graphic tee. It looks like this. Now I might have some makeup on it. So I know with white shirts, y'all, with white shirts, if you wear makeup like myself, we are balanced to get makeup all on the shirt. I tend to get makeup on the the collar. So but other than that, I love this shirt. These graphic tees are so freaking comfortable. When I tell you they're comfortable, they're mad comfortable. You can wear them with biker shorts, you can wear it with a pair of jeans. So I did pick up another one as well. This one is the Chasin checks, not boys, and I love the saying. I did get a size medium in both of those graphic tees. I love to go a size up because, like I said, I love to be very comfy. Also, just be mindful of the washing process. I know a lot of people only wear their clothes once when they buy them, and I just never been a person who wear clothes once. You're gonna see me at least until I can't wear it no more, But anyway, you get my drift. Be careful because some of Fashion Nova's pieces give you explicit instructions on how to take care of the shirt. Some of these items cannot be washed in the wash machine or dried on a hot heating setting. This shirt in particular, it says wash with like colors, tumble dry low, do not bleach, and do not iron decoration. I think people don't be reading instructions, and that's why they don't get a lot of uses and wears out of their shirts. So just wanted to put that out there.
So I did forget to record myself talking about the biker shorts, but I love these. These are so comfy. The only thing to be mindful of, they are see-through. Other than that, y'all, they are bomb. They fit great.
And I'm super excited because these are, I love Fashion Nova jeans. I don't care what nobody said, Fashion Nova has the best jeans, hand down, and I feel like they are very affordable. I just love their jeans. So I did go ahead and pick up two pairs. The first pair I got was the Marilyn high-waisted skinny jeans. I did get these in a size 13. This is the color light wash, and as you guys can see, 13 and 14. These jeans are so freaking pretty. The zipper works on this. I'm so glad it works. The button works as well. The pockets, they all have realistic pockets on these jeans. These jeans fit so freaking good, okay? They fit very good, but for me, my body shape, I always feel like when I do go up and get high-waisted jeans, they just make my waist area look a little longer. Since I don't really have like that waist to hip ratio, my hips and waist is almost the same size, so I feel like when I wear high-waisted jeans, it just makes me look like straight up and down. So I tend to stay away from them just because of that, but I really love these jeans. I don't care if my butt gonna look long or not, I'm gonna freaking wear these because these are so freaking cute. They do have a lot of stretch in them as well, and that's what I love. I just sometimes have a problem with this area when putting it on. I just don't like all the extra space that I have there. But of course, you know, a 𝚠𝚑 gotta breathe, so I don't mind it. But it's just like sometimes I just have problems with this area bagging a little bit too much. It might not look like it from the clip, but it do be like, you know. But y'all, overall, these are my fave. Also with these jeans, they do give you a lot of scrunch at the bottom. If you guys are shorter or taller, it's going to depend on how far these come down to your ankles. I am 5'4½", so these jeans come very, very long. I do have room to scrunch it up. I'm not short, but I'm not tall either. It's like I'm in the middle, so they do come down. Always when I get jeans though, I do have them scrunch up. There's a lot of access of room at the bottom for them to scrunch up. So okay, so I did pick up another pair of jeans. These are the classic mid-rise skinny jeans, dark denim. These are in the size 13. I'm gonna show you guys the overview. Okay, so with these jeans here, the buttons and zipper does work. The pockets, however, in the front, the pockets do not work at all. There is just like these type of jeans reminded me of jeggings, because I know jeggings don't have working front pockets, so I really wish they had pockets in the front. As far as the back, of course, the back pockets work as well. These jeans are very, very cute. Okay, they are mid-rise, and I did get these in size 13 like I stated before, but I feel like in these jeans I should have went up to a 14 because they were actually too tight. I don't really like when jeans are too tight because it just makes my shape and everything like smash, and it's just not flattering to your body, if that makes sense. Like sometimes people think, oh yeah, I got tight jeans, but like it's just smashing everything and it's not giving you room to breathe. These jeans does have stretch to it, but like I said, with these I would advise you to go up a size depending on your body type as well. If you don't have many curves, you probably will get away with it, but if you do have curves, I would suggest you to go up a size because I could not fit these comfortably. However, since these are mid-rise, I didn't have a lot of room at the bottom like I did with the high-waisted skinny jeans, so I did have like a one scrunch, but with the other ones I had like 2 or 3. So these jeans, however, are still cute, and yeah. All right guys, so the next piece I got was these cute this cute set. Did I take the tag off? I think I took the tag off, so I'm gonna have the name of this on the screen because I had to take the tag off to get in it. Okay, both of these came in a large, and what I first want to say is with the matching sets, I wish that we could mix and match. I feel like when you get a large, it's hit or miss, so sometimes you'll get a large in the bottom, because I will wear a large and stuff like this at the bottom. I would not be able to ever get the medium and small, not at my weight I'm currently at, but the top is a large as well. So I feel like this top, when it comes down to the sleeve area, it's a little too tight. So on my arm area, it was very, very tight and snug. It didn't give me room to stretch. However, this material is stretchy, but when it comes down to the sleeve portion of it, it's not as stretchy. Like once I put my hands in it, once I put my arms in it, it was literally like this. It was stretched to the max. So I wish this had more room. Like I said, I love the material. It's not see-through at all. It's a nice cotton blend. As you guys can see, it's stretched. The bottoms, however, fit perfectly. Y'all, I was ready to get this set and wear my little fluffy slides with this. Y'all, this was gonna be a fit. I'm still gonna wear it. I just only can wear it in the house. But otherwise than that, y'all, this set is cute. This is the West Lounge set. This is in the color gray, and I do have a size large. I don't remember how it was worn on a model, either tight or loose. I don't remember at all. But this to me is just going to be a comfy chill set. This top was a true large. It's a true large. So if you guys wear a large, it's really a large. Like I said, it is a lounge set, so it's probably meant to fit a little bit loose. Set was so freaking cute though. The zipper does work. You can zip it all the way down like I did in the video and the clip that I put in there, so you can zip it all the way down. The zipper does work. So yeah, as far as the pants as well, the pants are even too big. So I had a lot of room to stretch in these. This material is very stretchy, very stretchy. So like I said, the pants were a little long too. They came down to my ankles. Don't remember if I got a bottom shot of these clothes, but hopefully I did. But yeah, okay, so my last piece I have is the going with the flow hoodie skirt set. This is in the color gray, and I do have a size large, so I'm going to show you guys the overall look. All right, so with this set, I really like this set. This set is so comfy, by the way. I love that it comes with a hoodie and drawstrings in case it get cold out now. I can put my hood on. I feel like this is a true large when it comes to the top, so I wish you could mix and match, like a mix and match, because like I said, I would took a medium this and kept the large for the skirt. This was a little bit too big. It does have splits on the side. I don't remember if I showed you guys that, but it has splits on both sides, so it does open. I bought this of course to lounging as well, so I didn't want it too tight, but I didn't want it too big either. Like, this is just like flowy big. But if you guys don't like form-fitting clothes, I would suggest you try out this anyway, or form-fitting tops, because yeah. And as far as the skirt as well, the skirt, I love the skirt. Definitely fit perfectly. I have no complaints with the skirt. It was just the top was a little bit too big, but however, these pieces are very comfy and very chill. And I do have pieces you can, you know, wear every day, and then I have that one, you know, club date night outfit. So that was all my clothing. And lastly, I did pick up one accessory. This is, I forgot the name of this. This is going to be on the screen as well, but this is a fanny pack. I think that's what you call it. It has like a gold zipper. As you guys can see, it does come with this belt. I did put this belt in. So yeah, you can open it. The zipper does work, as you guys can see. Yeah, baby, I still got the stuffings in there, but with this belt, I just low-key like wearing them this way. Okay, so like I said, it's easier for me just to put my phone in there, my wallet, whatever I have. It's just so convenient, and you ain't got to worry about nobody stealing it because you wearing it. Like, sis, where is it about to go? You got it right here. You got it right here. So it's so cute, y'all. All right, guys, this is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Fashion Nova haul. I enjoyed every piece I got, sis. I love them. I love them. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, thumbs up. Let me know if you guys would like another Fashion Nova haul or just another haul in general. And yeah, until next time, your girl signing out. I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.